Mainit-init na chismis. Grabe pala ang naging epekto ni Belle kay Donnie. Kinamusta kasi ng mga mozang ang buhay ni Donnie with Belle Mariano? May nagbago ba kaysa dati? Ayon sa aktor, before everything felt plain. Normal days, same routine, same silence. Pero nung dumating si Belle, bigla na lang mas naging makulay at masaya ang buhay ko. Ang galing lang no, how someone's presence can make everything feel lighter. Dati parang laging may kulang, pero ngayon it finally feels like I'm where I'm meant to be. Hindi naman perfect lahat, may bad days pa rin naman, pero iba yung feeling knowing that someone's there, someone who makes you staying worth it. It's not just about being happy, it's about being at peace. And maybe that's kind of love, the kind that makes you say, life has been so much better since Belle became a part of it. And actually, mean every word.